In a world filled with noise and clutter, the idea of less is more has become a powerful philosophy in home design. Modern minimalist homes embody this principle, creating spaces that are not just visually striking but also purposeful and serene. Minimalism is not about depriving yourself. It's about embracing intentionality, valuing quality over quantity, and finding beauty in simplicity. This approach is timeless, a style that doesn't rely on passing trends but builds on principles that are both practical and profound. Join me as we explore the essence of modern minimalist home design and discover the beauty of less. At the heart of minimalist design is the idea of purposefulness. Every element in a modern minimalist home serves a clear function, avoiding unnecessary excess. Spaces are thoughtfully curated, where furniture, decor, and architecture converge to create harmony. Instead of overwhelming ornamentation, minimalist homes embrace open spaces and clean lines, allowing rooms to breathe. The focus is on essentials, pieces that contribute to the function of the home while enhancing its aesthetic. This purposeful approach fosters a sense of calm, turning everyday living into an intentional experience. Neutral colors are a defining feature of modern minimalist homes. Whites, grays, soft beiges, and muted earth tones create a serene backdrop that amplifies the sense of spaciousness. These colors have a calming effect, minimizing distractions and emphasizing natural light. Rather than feeling sterile or cold, a well-designed minimalist home uses texture. Think of warm wood, subtle stone, or soft fabrics to add depth and character. The result is a balanced environment that feels welcoming, warm, and timeless, a canvas that adapts to the changing needs and moods of those who live within it. One of the most compelling aspects of modern minimalist home design is the luxury of open space. Unlike traditional designs that fill every corner with decor, minimalist homes celebrate negative space. The absence of clutter creates a sense of freedom, making each room feel expansive and inviting. Open layouts with large windows not only increase natural light, but also connect the interior to the outdoors. This openness creates a seamless flow, enhancing the sense of spaciousness while fostering a deeper connection with the environment. Minimalist homes prioritize quality over quantity. Instead of filling spaces with numerous decorative items, each piece is carefully selected for its design, craftsmanship, and purpose. Investing in timeless, durable pieces, from sleek furniture to curated art, transforms the home into a gallery of meaningful design. The intention is to create an environment where every item has a story, a purpose, and a place. This approach not only reduces waste, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for what we choose to include in our spaces. Natural light is a cornerstone of modern minimalist design. It breathes life into spaces, highlighting textures and accentuating the simplicity of the interior. Large, unadorned windows allow sunlight to flood rooms, creating a dynamic interaction between light and shadow. Beyond aesthetics, natural light has psychological benefits. It lifts moods, boosts productivity, and creates a sense of well-being. In minimalist homes, window treatments are often kept simple or avoided altogether, allowing the light to become an ever-changing, organic part of the design itself. While minimalist homes may seem restrained, they are far from monotonous. The thoughtful use of texture and material adds depth and warmth to a minimalist space. Concrete walls paired with smooth wooden floors, linen curtains against metal accents, or stone countertops complemented by soft wool rugs. These combinations create a sensory experience. The tactile contrast brings a sense of sophistication, turning a simple room into a sanctuary. Texture allows minimalist design to be engaging and layered without the need for excessive decoration. Each material choice has intent, further reinforcing the less but better philosophy. In minimalist homes, furniture becomes functional art. Each piece is chosen for its aesthetic value, craftsmanship, and utility. Clean, sculptural lines create visual interest without overwhelming the space. Sofas with simple silhouettes, sleek dining tables, and streamlined cabinetry all contribute to a coherent look. Furniture is often multifunctional, a minimalist hallmark that supports efficiency and simplicity. By selecting timeless, durable pieces, the home maintains a sense of elegance that lasts for years, reflecting the idea that great design endures beyond fleeting trends. Decluttering is not merely about organizing, it's a conscious effort to simplify life and prioritize what truly matters. Minimalist homes reject unnecessary possessions, focusing on meaningful, functional items. Open shelving, concealed storage, and thoughtful organization maintain the cleanliness and order of the space. By eliminating excess, a minimalist home becomes a place of refuge, a space where the mind can rest and the body can recharge. This approach to decluttering also aligns with sustainable living, encouraging intentional consumption and reducing waste. Modern minimalist homes often integrate nature to create a balance between the built environment and the natural world. Large windows open up to views of gardens, courtyards, or lush landscapes, blurring the boundary between inside and outside. Indoor plants add a touch of greenery, bringing life and a sense of tranquility to minimalist spaces. The natural elements, wood, stone, water, connect the home to the environment, reminding us of the importance of simplicity and mindfulness. This connection to nature adds warmth and vitality, grounding the minimalist design in a timeless, organic beauty. Minimalist design endures because it transcends trends. Unlike bold, decorative styles that may fade, the simplicity of minimalism feels enduring and relevant. Its focus on functionality, quality, and purpose creates a home that can adapt to different life stages and styles. Minimalist homes are not bound to a particular era. Their appeal lies in their honesty, their clarity, and their ability to make space for life. They reflect a mindset that values experience over material accumulation, a philosophy that resonates deeply in today's fast-paced world. Modern minimalist home design is more than just a visual style. It is a lifestyle choice, a commitment to simplicity, and a deeper appreciation for what we bring into our homes. The beauty of less lies in its ability to make room for what truly matters: connection, presence, and peace. A minimalist home is a place where elegance meets intention, where design serves as a backdrop for living, not a distraction. By embracing the essence of less, we discover a timeless elegance that stands the test of time, creating spaces that not only look beautiful, but also feel genuinely fulfilling.